Okay, a very good morning, Dr. Ilyani. Now, my name is Wong Chun S44364.
And my name is Karthyayini, S42098.
Okay, today we're going to talk about something about linear system. Now, from what we learned before, linear system generally means a system of equation. So today, me and Lokita is going to present to you how we can actually utilize this system of linear equations.
Yeah, so first of all, the linear system means that we have a few equations and it is a system of a few equations. So we can actually solve it. But before that, we can see the application of linear system, where, for example, as you can see in the screen, we have the application. It is used in the investment, for example, in the concept of simple interest. So as you can see in the screen, we have the question and we can solve it using this equation right here.
Okay, well, there are four different ways in solving this equation because anything there is a solution. Okay, now the first way is substitution, or if you don't like substitution, you can use elimination. Okay, the infamous what matrix was that? Gaussian elimination method. And then there's also the matrices method, the 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5 matrix. And lastly, we can also graph the system of equation to find the designated or the desired point.
So we can see that this is the method of substitution. So we can solve it like the way we do it in simultaneous equations. So we just move the one unknown,
One variable.
yeah, one variable to the other side and to find another variable, and that's how we solve the substitution method.
Okay.
So these are the steps are shown here.
Alright, now we look at the method of elimination. Well, basically, elimination is basically you change an equation, alright, so that you can somehow equalize the other equation as shown in the screen. Yeah, you can see here. See, they change it, and then after that they substitute it back, and then you have the desired variable. Okay, and then you substitute again into another equation, and then you have another desired variable, which is the x.
Okay, so this is the method of matrices. So you can see that we rewrite the equations without the variables and we make it in the matrix form, and then we make the left side of the matrix into an identity matrix.
1011.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that's how we find the value, where this is the one is the for the A variable and the next one is for the B variable. So where A and B is the solutions. And then yeah, so that's how we get the value of A and B, which are this 12,000 and 5,000. And this is how it's solved.
Okay, lastly, you can look at the graphing method. Now, unfortunately, here they didn't really show it because graphing method tend to be a little bit messy depending on the variables. So, if let's say it is just one or two variable, then okay, it's possible to graph and to find the solution. But if there are like let's say 10 variables, so I think if there is 10 variables, we still can do the graphing, but we need a software to actually assist us. But if we were to do by hand 10 variables, I think it is possible to actually do it on the matrices method. So I guess this is all from us. Thank you very much.
Thank you.